Okay, see how the question is 2 liters plus 505 milliliters plus 367 centiliters, and we want to put that in liters. Okay, so guys, you cannot add these if they are in different units. You must change into the same units first in order to add them together. But they're all different, so we must convert them to 1 unit. But they give us the unit. They want us to change it into liters. So let's do that. Okay, liters, this one's already in liters, isn't it? So we don't have to change it. Now, we have milliliters. Remember our diagram? Milliliters to liters, we divide by 10 and then 100, so 1,000 in total. And then centiliters to liters, we go from here to here, again small to large, so we divide by just 100. So it's going to look like this. 2 liters, leave it as it is. 505 divided by 1,000, because we're going from here to here. And 367 divided by 100, because we're just going this way. Guys, calculate that. You may like to use a calculator, or you can just calculate yourself, whatever method you find quickest, and then you should get 6.175. Okay, simplify. Okay, again we have different units. We've got liters, milliliters and kiloliters. Again we want to change it to liters. So we've got our diagram ready. Liters I don't have to change. Milliliters, again we divide by 1,000. So I'm going to say 3,330 divided by 1,000. Now we've got kiloliters. Kiloliters to liters, this time with large to small, we always multiply. That's why we're multiplying by 1,000. Guys, calculate that, but guys, when you calculate it, don't try to do too much at a time. You can add in extra steps. So what I would do, I would say, see how, that's a weird error. 123 liters, we leave it as it is. And then 3,330 divided by 1,000 will be 3.33 liters minus, see, that times 1,000, we move that 1, 2, 3 places, so it's going to be 20. And then once you've done that, once you've simplified it, then put it into your calculator, or then calculate it, and you should have something like that. Okay, so that's the answer, guys. Question 13. Again, we've got megaliters, and milliliters and centiliters, and we want to put it in liters. But it says correcting to the nearest centiliter. Okay, let's try that. So again, we've got the diagram. So megaliters to liters, large to small, we multiply, but we multiply by 1,000 and then 1,000 again. Now milliliters to liters, we go from small to large, so we divide by 1,000. And centiliters, we divide by 100. So put that all in like that. That's just what I said, isn't it? And I want you to add extra steps, guys, by putting that, and that simplified on the next step. So simplify each of them, and then you should get something like this. But it says to the nearest centiliter, so it should be 1,000.26. So we just round it to 1, 2. Okay, so centi means 100, oh my goodness. We round it to the nearest 100th. So we go 1, 2, here, and then 5, we round it up, so 5 should be 6. So that's why it's 26 after the decimal point. So when it says nearest centiliter, we always round it to 2 decimal places because it's the nearest 100th.